Hello everyone, welcome to Spice and Savor. Today's recipe is oats dosa. If you are interested in more cooking videos, subscribe to our channel. So let's have a look at our ingredients. Here I took 1/4 cup as a measurement. You can adjust your measurements according to your serving size. So here is our ingredients. It's oats powder 1/4 cup, suji 1/4 cup, and rice flour half cup, chopped onions, chopped ginger, chopped chilies, chopped curry leaves and coriander leaves, cumin seeds 1 tablespoon, salt according to your taste, pepper 1 teaspoon. Here is the preparation. I took 1/4 cup of oats and roasted on a slow flame and grind it into a fine powder. Now transfer the fine grind powder into a bowl, add rice flour, and now goes the semolina. If you have a roasted semolina, it tastes even more better. Mix it well. And now I'm going to add grated ginger. It gives a nice kick to the dosa, and some chopped chilies according to your taste. Adjust the chilies. I chop 3 chilies here and some curry leaves and finely chopped coriander leaves. You can add these ingredients according to your taste. You can add even more or less, and some onions, finely chopped onions. Now 1 tablespoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of pepper and 1.5 or tablespoon of cumin according to your taste. Mix all the ingredients well. Now for 1/4 cup of measurement we need 2.5 cups of water. You can adjust the consistency like the dosa batter. I mixed it until I get the dosa consistency. Mix it well. All the salt dissolves in it. So I mixed it well until I get the dosa batter consistency. This is what I'm looking for. Now rest for 20 minutes and heat the pan or dosa griddle and pour it and don't rub it on the pan. So after slowly roasted, here is our oats dosa. If you like this recipe, please comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Bye.